Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today I wanted to discuss an issue I had with my Matterport Pro 3 camera and how Matterport customer service handled it. I ordered my first Matterport Pro 3 camera in October of 2022 via Amazon. I tested it out shortly after I received it and noticed the sound, a whirling kind of sound that sounded a little bit like a weed eater. Stand behind it. I didn't think anything of this because the camera appeared to be working fine. Fast forward a little bit, I purchased a second camera via Amazon in April of 2023. And when that camera arrived, I tested it out and it was completely silent. No real noticeable sounds at all. I emailed support on April 27th explaining the issue to them. They wrote me back with some questions, and on May 3rd I followed up with my answers. They wrote me back on May 5th saying that my email was being forwarded to senior support, and that same day I got another email letting me know that since my camera was still under warranty, that they would RMA it, which means that I would send them my old camera and they would ship me a replacement. I printed out the shipping label on May the 9th and I put it in the mail. To my surprise, I received a new camera at my doorstep the very next day on May 10th. When the replacement camera arrived, I opened it up and took a look at it, and the back of the camera was a little bit too loose for my liking. I emailed support to let them know this, and they said although it shouldn't affect the functionality of the camera, that they would RMA that one as well. So I took that camera and put it in the mail on May 24th and had the new camera at my doorstep on May 26th. Moving forward to July, I sent the same camera to a tech to use in a different state. While it was being used about halfway throughout the day, the camera started making a horrible sound and it wouldn't complete a rotation. Support was emailed, and after some time, they agreed to RMA that camera. I had the tech that was in a different state mail the camera back to me, and while the broken camera was en route, Matterport was able to send me a replacement device, and it arrived at my house before the broken camera arrived. I promptly sent the broken camera back to Matterport. I made this video to show that although we may get frustrated at times with Matterport and how the response to support issues could be better, this was one of the stellar examples of them doing what they could to solve my issues as they came up. I don't know a lot of other companies that would have sent a replacement camera to me before they received the RMA camera in the mail. Kudos to Matterport and all the support staff that worked with me throughout these issues, especially Leroy. I think he's in Chicago maybe? You rock. Well, enjoy the aerial video of the Matterport headquarters that I took the other day in Sunnyvale, California. Maybe at some point Matterport will see this and invite me over for an inside video tour of the facility. That would be pretty cool. Alright guys, well if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave them below, and feel free to share the video, and if you're not subscribed, I would appreciate a subscription. Thanks for watching.